Here in my backyard here in Paia, and I just want to show you my roommate's parrot. Arrow. It's a pretty bird. Look at that pretty bird. It's the sugarcane field back there. You see the ocean a ways over there. It's the house. Roommate. Staying at. Look at you, Arrow. Hello. 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 Look at you. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yeah, you are. You're a pretty bird. You're a pretty bird. Such a pretty bird. He's pretty. Hello. Hello. He does talk sometimes. He's been talking to me a little bit, and he's been ringing his bell. She likes to keep him in the front window of the house, and he'll say hi to people as they walk around the house. Yeah, look at you. Look at you. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yeah, look at you. Look at you. Birdie. Birdie. I've seen a lot of these birds in the tourist areas of Lahaina. People will pay to get their pictures taken with these birds, so very popular here on the island. Macaws. Say goodbye, birdie. Goodbye. 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 Doesn't like to talk today. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.